Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top 10 best Samsung S22 cases 2022 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. You can keep your ostentatious, overstuffed Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and its S Pen, while packing the same powerful processor and performance. The 6.06-inch Galaxy S22 fits in your hand and all the way into your pocket. While this baby model is much easier to grip and use one-handed, it still requires a protective case to protect it from shattering drops, slippery falls, and unsightly scratches. The best Galaxy S22 cases provide protection and functionality while emphasizing either Samsung's or your own style. I have prepared this video guide for the best Samsung S22 cases, so let's get started. 10. Ghostek COVERT. Ghostek uses our 2X silicone shock absorbers to beef up resistance to the dreaded corner drop and raised bezels to protect your screen and camera module from scratches in this clear case. While the Ghostek isn't an invisible clear case, that's actually a good thing. Clear cases can look squirrely around curves and corners, but you can still show off the custom S22 color while keeping it safe. Ghostek also has limited edition bumper colors in red, teal, blue, and purple, but because Ghostek only made 100 of each, they'll go fast. 9. OTTERBOX Symmetry. OTTERBOX has become the Kleenex of the heavy-duty case world, and after more than a decade of incredibly tough entries, it has its Galaxy S22 cases down to a science. The Symmetry is the OTTERBOX line's Goldilocks, durable and dependable without becoming an unwieldy tank. It's sleeker than the Defender series and far more colorful than the Commuter series. The Symmetry series is the best OTTERBOX for the Galaxy S22, and it's available in Rust Purple, which matches the 2022 Pantone color of the year Very Puri, and Renaissance Pink, which looks like it could almost be seen in the dark, or black, if you're boring. 8. SUPCASE Unicorn Bee Pro. Try the UB Pro case if you need a case that can withstand cars, 3-story ladders, and lawnmowers. SUPCASE Unicorn Bee Pro outperforms OTTERBOX in terms of durability and price, comes in 5 colors, and includes a wide, stable kickstand for your Galaxy S22. With the included detachable rotating belt clip, you can enjoy user-friendly convenience. The built-in kickstand allows for hands-free viewing in portrait and landscape orientations. The UB Pro's precise design allows for easy access to all ports, buttons, and features. 7. Caseology Nano Pop. This was the best Galaxy S21 case, and it looks like it will keep that title for another year. The two-tone design of the Nano Pop adds a nice splash of color while also providing extra protection around the Samsung Galaxy S22's important cameras. The use of bold, contrasting two-tone colors and a camera ring design creates a sporty and playful appearance. Provides a snug fit with a slim profile, as well as a raised ring around the camera for added protection. Military-grade protection, wireless charging compatibility, and screen protector compatibility are all certified. 6. Case. Borne V. The kickstand on this heavy-duty case works well both vertically and horizontally, making it both functional and durable. The Armadillo Tech Series 5, Vanguard series, designed in Texas, is ruggedly handsome and ready to work. It's one of the best, meanest, and baddest Galaxy S22 cases. The hybrid flexible TPU and hard shell with port covers provides multi-layer defense. There is an additional layer of foam to protect your phone from being shattered or scratched. Galaxy S22 case that not only protects your phone from drops, but also frees up your hands. 5. ESR Metal Kickstand Case. Do you want a kickstand case that isn't as big as SUPCASE or CaseBorne? ESR's Galaxy S22 kickstand case is slimmer and more limber. This model, available in textured black or smoother clear, is ideal for breakroom binges. The vertical and horizontal stand is ideal for completely freeing your hands while video calling or watching television. The patented metal kickstand is freely adjustable up to 60 degrees, allowing you to find your ideal angle. Air guard corners absorb shock to keep your phone safe from drops, while raised screen edges and camera guard against scratches. 4. Caseology Parallax. Many people think the Parallax's cubist texturing across the back is too slick, but thanks to 2 highly textured grips along the sides of the bumpers, this epic case will stay securely in your hand. For your precious Galaxy S22, I highly recommend the burgundy and green colorways. The 3D Hexa Cube design provides improved ergonomics as well as textured TPU grip on both sides. Raised bezels around the screen and camera ring provide extra protection on both sides. Stylish two-tone colors for men and women to match your Galaxy S22 case. 3. Ringke Onyx. Ringke's flexible TPU case for the Samsung Galaxy S22 is grippy, durable, and compact, but it's distinguished by 2 tiny holes, anchor points. While most people use these to make cute phone charms, they're also great for attaching a lanyard or a wrist strap. TPU is flexible and long-lasting, making it ideal for heavy-duty defense. Grip-enhancing circular embossed sides add extra security. The anti-skid and anti-fingerprint matte granulate texture is unique. With the built-in dual quick catch lanyard holes, you can attach hand or neck straps. The strap is sold separately. Wireless charging is supported, and it is screen protector compatible. 2. Spigen Liquid Crystal. For years, Spigen's liquid crystal has been the de facto clear case, but I prefer its glitter twin whenever it's available. Why go for the glitter? It conceals fingerprint smudges and grime, as well as small scratches or cracks on your Samsung Galaxy S22. Slim, form-fitting, and light in weight. TPU with anti-slip properties keeps your phone lightweight and simple to install. Buttons that have been reinforced to ensure quick responsiveness. A single, flexible layer makes application simple. 1. Spigen Rugged Armor. If you own a no-nonsense Galaxy S22 and are looking for a no-nonsense case, the rugged armor was designed specifically for you. While the bottom retains the classic carbon fiber look, the top accent has a softer texture that is easier to grip when taking photos or gaming. Carbon fiber design and resilient shock absorption. Flexible TPU case with spiderweb pattern on the inside and a raised lip to protect the screen. Air cushion technology for shock absorption. Tactile buttons provide solid feedback and are simple to press. So guys, this was the video about the best Samsung S22 cases. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.